In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check a Namecheap support ticket the right way because there's an important detail that many people miss. If you're expecting a ticket dashboard inside your Namecheap account, the short answer is that Namecheap does not currently provide a dedicated help desk portal in the dashboard for tracking open support tickets. Instead, support ticket communication is handled directly through your email inbox or through real-time live chat. So if you've already contacted Namecheap and want to follow up, this video will walk you through exactly where to look and what to do next. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the email account that you used when you contacted Namecheap. This is the most important place to check because Namecheap typically sends all ticket replies, updates, and follow-up messages to the email address associated with your account or your support request. If you have multiple inboxes, make sure you check the correct one. Look through your inbox, spam folder, promotions tab, and any other filtered mail folders in case the reply got sorted automatically. Once you find the message from Namecheap support, open it and review the latest update. This email thread is basically your ticket history, so every new reply from support should appear in the same conversation. That means the easiest way to track your ticket is not through a dashboard, but by following the email thread closely. If the support team needs more information from you, they may ask additional questions in that same email chain. Now, if you want to add new details or follow up on the issue, simply reply directly to the last email you received from Namecheap support. Do not start a brand new email thread unless you absolutely have to, because replying to the existing conversation keeps your ticket organized and helps the support team track your case faster. Include any extra screenshots, order numbers, domain names, or error messages that can help them understand the problem better. If you haven't received a response yet, give it a little time and check again later, since support queues can take some time depending on volume. You can also use live chat if you need immediate assistance or want to ask about the status of your issue in real time. Live chat can be a helpful alternative when you need quick clarification. So to recap, there is no separate Namecheap ticket portal inside your dashboard for viewing open tickets. The best way to track your support request is to monitor your email inbox for updates and reply to the latest email whenever you need to continue the conversation. That's the simplest and most reliable method. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.